Hey folks, this is Saskatoon Kia here with another fantastic trade-in. And we want to see you in a Kia, but in this case, let's talk about this Buick Encore leather. This thing is amazing. It's a near luxury vehicle. For a smaller SUV, it's got lots of room. Check this out. You open up the back here, and there is a ton of space, especially when you fold those seats down. You'll be able to fit lots of stuff in from that Costco run. You know it. And of course, too, if you're traveling or what have you, got lots of space back there, too. It's got glorious wheels. It has a cool little plug-in back here. Check this out, right in the back there. And also as well, when you hop inside, you'll see that the interior is really well finished. It's got a nice like a wood grain kind of look to it, with nice silver accents. Take a look at this thing. It's beautiful inside and out. And of course, there's heated seats, heated steering wheel as well, if you take a look down there. And of course, this has blind spot sensors and a few other things, navigation and much, much more. Anyways, come on down to Kia of Saskatoon, where we want to see you in a Kia, and we look forward to seeing you here. You can ask one of our experts to come take this for a spin, and of course, they'll be happy to answer any of your questions that you may have. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, we're there. We look forward to seeing you here. Take care, folks.